Hi everyone, myself Tejashree Vanjire and welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Math. So today we are going to discuss the first unit of 12th standard, that is relations and functions. So before I begin with relations and functions, first I am going to discuss what is a relation and what do you mean by domain, range and codomain. So let's get started. To know what is a relation, just have a look on set and Cartesian product. So already you know set is a well-defined collection of objects. Then what do you mean by Cartesian product? Suppose if I write A as A, B, C and B as 1, 2. So Cartesian product of these two sets, and it is represented by A cross B. We have to write down all the possible ordered pairs from A to B. So ordered pairs, in ordered pairs, the first element of the ordered pair is from first set and second element of the ordered pair is from second set. That is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. These are all the possible ordered pairs of A and B. So Cartesian product is nothing but it is a connection between two sets. We can show this by using arrow diagrams also. So A cross B, A, B, C and B has 1 and 2. So it is a connection between two sets. So A could go to 1, A to 2, B to 1, B to 2, C to 1, C to 2. So all possible ordered pairs. In Cartesian product, one thing is very important. Here the order of the ordered pair is very important. Order of the ordered pair is very important. So A cross B is never equal to B cross A. Now from this, now we can define what is a relation. So relation is R is a part or it is a subset of A cross B. It is a part or subset of A cross B. So just I write down one relation by using this A cross B. R is a relation such that all the ordered pairs begin with a letter A. So R is a relation. So just we have to write down all the ordered pairs which begin with A letter. So A1, A2. So these are the two ordered pairs. That is R is equal to A1 and A2. So relation is nothing but it is a part or it is a subset of A cross B. To better understand what is a relation, I have taken here one more example. That is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 5, 6, 7. Relation R is from A to B. And R is equal to the ordered pair XY such that the difference between X and Y is odd, where X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. So they have given in set builder form. Just I reduce it to roster form. That is the ordered pair and the difference between these two ordered pairs is odd. So first ordered pair 1, 5. The difference between 1 and 5 is 4, that is even. So leave it. Next I go to 1 6. The difference is odd. 1 7, even. 2 5. The difference is odd. 2 6, even. 2 7, odd. 3 5, even. 3 6, odd. 3 7, even. 4 5, odd. 4 6, even. 4 7. So this is the relation R such that the difference between x and y is odd. So I have written here all the possible orders in which the difference between x and y is odd. So 1 6, 2 5, 2 7, 3 6, 4 5, 4 7. So from these things now we can easily write what is domain and range, and the last one is codomain. So domain is here nothing but first elements of all the ordered pairs. First elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The first elements of all the ordered pairs. Range is here only the related elements, or you can say second elements of all the ordered pairs. Second elements 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 7. Then next, then what is codomain here? Codomain is the whole set B. We can write B or the elements 5, 6, 7. Here I go with one more example. Write the domain range codomain of R is equal to the ordered pair xy such that y is equal to x plus 5 and the condition is x is less than 4 where x comma y belongs to L. Here the relation R is from n to n because both x and y belongs to n, set of natural numbers. So here R is the relation. So n is a set of natural numbers which starts from 1. So go on substituting. In place of x, just put x is equal to 1. Then the first ordered pair is 1 plus 5, 6. The second ordered pair, put x is equal to 2. 2 plus 5, 7. The third ordered pair, put x is equal to 3. 3 plus 5, that is 8. And here the condition is x is less than 4. So here these are the three ordered pairs 1 6, 2 7 and 3 8. Now from this we can write domain first elements of all the ordered pairs 1, 2, 3. And what about range? Range is second elements, or you can say the related elements 6, 7 and 8. And the last one, codomain, is the set n itself. From all these things, I hope you all enjoyed learning about what is a relation and how to write domain, codomain and range. So please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts, write it in the comment box and share this video maximum with your friends. Thank you.